welcome to Tech Notebook, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Motioneye security camera out of a Raspberry Pi. So the first thing you want to do is Google Motioneye OS. And then we need to go and click on Home. And then we need to go to Code right here. And then click Releases. Now we want to scroll down and click on Raspberry Pi 3. So here is the file that we just downloaded right here. So the first thing we need to do is if you haven't downloaded this already, you need to download 7-zip. You need to go to www.7-zip.org and download the 32-bit or 64-bit version of this software. But since I already have it downloaded, let's go back to File Explorer, and then we need to right-click, hover over 7-zip, and click Extract here. So it's extracting right now. And it's done. So now we need to go to Win32 Disk Imager, and I have already put in the file right here, so we just need to click right and click yes. So the SD card image has is written already, so I just wanted to go over the materials that we need for this project. So the first thing we need is obviously the Raspberry Pi. The second thing we will need is an SD card. I'm using an 8 gig SD card right now, but you can use anything that you want to. You will also need a webcam. I'm using a Logitech one. I'm going to put that right there. You will need an Ethernet cable to for when you start up the Raspberry Pi. You need to plug it in so there is a connection to the router, and so you can set it up. And finally, you need a power adapter for the Raspberry Pi. So I got to know that my Ethernet cable was too short, so I brought a new one. So the first thing we need to do is insert the SD card into the Raspberry Pi, like this. Okay. And then we need to plug in our USB webcam right there. And then we need to plug in our Ethernet cable. There. And then finally, we need to plug in our power. And it's on. So the first thing you want to do is locate your Raspberry Pi's IP address. But if your Raspberry Pi, instead of booting up to the camera feed, it boots up to the login page, the username is admin, and there is no password. So the first thing we need to do is connect the Pi to Wi-Fi. So you need to click on the 3 bars, scroll down to Advanced Settings, and click On for the toggle. Now we need to go down, open up the drop-down for network, turn on wireless network, and then we need to configure our wireless network. So I have configured the network. So now you just want to click Apply and click Yes. So the Raspberry Pi will reboot, and then you need to just refresh the page. And then Motioneye OS, the interface will pop right back up again. So now you can unplug the Raspberry Pi from Ethernet since it is already connected to the network. So that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.